Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we making this cap. This cap is very simple design and easy to make. This cap will take very little time to make. I think you will enjoy this video tutorial. Please like and comment this video tutorial. Your like comment inspire us. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. I made the hat in adult size, but you can make any size you need. The round size is 9.5 inch. I am increasing the cap 7 inch, long 8 inch. More information about the size will be given in the description box. I am using milk cotton yarn for this tutorial. This yarn is sponsored by Handicraft House. You can find any yarn here. Page link will be given in the description box below. So let us start the pattern. First make a slip knot. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now join first chain with slip stitch. This is the foundation chain of the cap. We can see a little ring. Now work inside it. Chain 1. Make 11 double crochet into the ring. Work with this extra yarn to hide. Now make first double crochet. I made the first one and mark it. After complete this round, I will join the round with this mark stitch. Continue 10 more double crochet into the ring. Here I have completed 11 double crochet. Now join the round. Join the round in mark stitch with slip stitch. The first round is over. Chain 1 for start the second round. From second round, work only back loop. We know that there are 2 loops in a stitch. For this video tutorial, we work only back loop. Work 2 double crochet, same stitch. 1. Now mark it for join the round. Now second double crochet. In this round, we are going to do 2 double crochet in every stitch around in this circle. Continue 2 double crochet in every stitch. I should meet at the end of the round. I completed 24 stitches here. Now join the round. Join the round with slip stitch. Round 3. Chain 1. Work only back loop. 2 double crochet, same stitch. Mark it for join the round. You can mark here too. This is the wrong stitch or slip stitch. This stitch should be skipped. For that I mark it. Second double crochet. So first 2 double crochet is completed. 1 double crochet, next stitch, 2 double crochet, next stitch, back loop, 1 double crochet, next stitch. Continue 2 double crochet and 1 double crochet in this circle. I should meet at the end of the round. I completed the round. Now join the round. The first stitch marker is on wrong stitch. This stitch should be skipped. Join the round with slip stitch. Third round is over. Round 4, chain 1. Work only back loop. 2 double crochet, same stitch, back loop. Mark first stitch. Now second double crochet, 1 double crochet, next 2 stitch. Work only back loop. Now increase it again, 2 double crochet, next stitch. One double crochet, next 2 stitch. Continue 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, next 2 stitch. Repeat the sequence until the end of the round. Completed the round. Now join the round. Remove first stitch marker that is on wrong stitch. Do not work on wrong stitch. Join the round with slip stitch. Next round, chain 1. Work only back loop. 2 double crochet, same stitch. Mark it. If you need, you can mark the wrong stitch. Second double crochet. Now 1 double crochet, next 3 stitch. 1, 2, 3. Next stitch should be increased, so 2 double crochet, next stitch, work only back loop. Now 1 double crochet, next 3 stitch, again work only back loop. 1, 2, 3. 2 double crochet next. This sequence should be continued at the end of the round. Completed the round. Now join the round. Join the round with slip stitch. Next round, chain 1. This round is also increase round. I did 2 double crochet on the same stitch. Continue 1 double crochet, next 4 stitch, work only back loop. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 double crochet, next stitch. Work on back loop. Again 1 double crochet, next 4 stitch. Work only back loop. Two double crochet, next stitch. Repeat the sequence until the end of the round. After completed round 6, the increased size of the cap is 5 inch. Now join the round. Join the round with slip stitch. Round 7, chain 1, 2 double crochet, same stitch. I have completed it. Now 1 double crochet, next 5 stitch. Work on back loop. 2, 3, 4 and last one 5. So next should be increase. 2 double crochet, next stitch. Work only back loop. First one is complete. Now continue same. This sequence should be continued until the end of the round. After completed round 7, the increased size of the cap is 6 inch and this is the adult small size, but I will increase one more round. Join the round with slip stitch. Chain 1. This is the increased round, so 2 double crochet, same stitch. Work only back loop. Mark first stitch for joining this round. Complete 2 double crochet. Continue 1 double crochet, next 6 stitch on back loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next round should be increased, so 2 double crochet, next stitch. 1, 2. Continue same to the next. 1 double crochet, next 6 stitch. I did it. Next 2 double crochet. Repeat the sequence until the end of the round. After completed this round, the increased level of the cap is 7 inch. Now join the round. Join the round with slip stitch. I will not make any increase in this round. Chain 1, 1 double crochet, same stitch, work only back loop. Mark the first stitch. Continue 1 double crochet each stitch of the round. Work on back loop. Repeat the same sequence until the end of the round. Join the round with slip stitch. Now the head is 4 inches long. Continue 7 inch with same pattern. I should meet at the end of the 7 inch long. I completed up to 7.5 inch long here. I will continue the next round with single crochet. Chain 1. Make 1 single crochet same stitch on back loop. Mark first stitch. 1 single crochet next stitch on back loop. Continue 1 single crochet each stitch of the round. Work on back loop. Repeat the sequence until the end of the round. I completed the round here. Now join the round with slip stitch. Chain 1. For next round, 1 single crochet same stitch. Mark it. Continue 1 single crochet each stitch of the round. Work only back loop. Continue more 3 rounds with single crochet. Work on back loop. I completed here 4 round single crochet. Now chain 1 for lock the yarn and cut yarn. Set the yarn with this needle. Now the hat is ready. I really hope you enjoy the tutorial. If you did, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.